Hey, bitches, this here's Nocturnal Ninja. And I know a lot of you are saying, Nocturnal Ninja, we know you can sing, we know you can kick ass, and we know you're a damn handsome man, even though you're behind that mask. Nobody knows who the fuck you really are, even though they fucking think they do. They don't know the fuck I am, so shut up. Think you know shit? You don't know shit. So you're thinking, okay, now tell me, what can you dance? It's like, of course I can dance, bitch. I can dance more than your mama, your sister, and your daddy combined. And if they can't dance because they're all awful, I can dance better than anybody you can think of that's awful or better. Fuck that shit. I'm the best dancer ever. And well, look at this shit. Look, you just shake my ass for you, bitch. Yeah, you like that, don't you? Anyway, yeah, so that's why I can dance, and I'm like a multi-talented, they say, Nocturnal Ninja, you damn talented. I was like, you're fucking right. And they're like, why, when you got all this talent, Nocturnal Ninja, do you sacrifice for the people and do all this good work? And I would think it's because you gotta give, you gotta help people, because I give a damn that much, because I'm so fucking awesome. It's hard for me to be humble sometimes, but you know, I do my best, and so, you know, I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about right now. I'm just too busy thinking about how great I am. I'm gonna go.